Today we are going to talk about a new chapter, chapter 11, probability. Okay? It seems that it is an interesting topic, but we are now in Form 3 only. This chapter is very simple and just introduce the idea, okay? And first of all, we are going to learn a lot of terms. Let's see. First, we go to the most common question is toss a coin, okay? You have two outcomes, head and tail, okay? 公同字. Why we call head? Because in the past, the coins are with the queen icon, okay? That is the queen's head, okay? So we call head or tail. The coin is tossed, either it is head or tail. The next dice is throw, okay? Then either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 will be shown. And the chance of 1 and 2 are equally likely. We say that equally likely, okay? If not, then it is not a fair dice, okay? Then we go to playing cards. First, we know that there are four suits, namely spade, which is black, and clubs, which is black, and hearts and diamonds are red, okay? And in each suit, there are 13 cards. A is 1, okay. A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, Jack, Queen, and King, okay? So we learn some terms, and then we go to what is the meaning of probability, okay? Probability, sometimes we call it chance, okay? And then let's see, how do we describe the chance of an event happening? Let's see. Okay, it is a no chance, okay, or we call zero chance. The chance is 0, okay? And then the other extreme is it is certain or must, of course, something like that. And then in the middle, there may be 50-50. Sometimes we call it 50-50, or 70%, okay, or 30%, something like that, okay? Sometimes we use words to describe, okay? It is, I don't know what kind of the proper names of never, okay? This is always. And then sometimes something like that, okay? But it is not mathematics. Mathematics, we put this into numbers. We define it no chance, zero chance, 0. And then of course certain always is 1. Then in the middle is 0.5 or you may call it 1/2. This one 0.7 and then 0.3, or you call it 3/10, okay? That is, whenever you do it 10 times, 3 times it will happen, okay? So we have an idea of the chance of events happening, okay? It is a numbers which lies between 0 and 1. And then we go to another term, possible outcomes, okay? Let's look at the box. The box have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever you draw one ball out, the possible outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And if you draw it randomly, okay, then the chance of picking up 1, or 2 is equally likely, okay? That is, or you may say same chance, okay? So what is the chance? Is the probability, or the chance, we call it 1/5, okay? 1/5. And then another term, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, each one is possible outcome. And then what is sample space? That is all the samples, okay? All the samples is called sample space. This is sample space, okay? And now we look at some more. So we go to definition of probability. Probability of an event, okay? Event E, we write it probability of an event E, okay, is defined as number of outcomes favorable to event E divided by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, you may not understand very well. Let's raise a few examples. For example, there are 10 cars, 1 to 10. You call A, event A, is the probability getting a multiple of 3. You know that 3, 6, and 9 are the possible or favorable outcomes to the event A, which is getting a multiple of 3. Therefore, probability of A is 3/10, okay? Or we write probability multiple of 3. In this case, is their number of favorable outcomes is 3, okay, which is 3, 6, and 9, okay? And number of possible outcomes is 1 to 10, that is 10, okay? Let's see another example. B, probability getting a number less than 11. You know that all the numbers are 11, less than 11. So there are altogether 10 possible cases favorable to the event B. And then the event B is total number of possible outcomes is 10. Therefore, the probability of getting a number less than 11 is 1. And C, getting the number 0. You see that there's no number 0, okay? So outcome favorable to the event is nothing, okay? So the probability, I write is 0/10, which is 0, okay? From this example, you know that the probability of all events must be lies between 0 and 1, okay? That is 0. something, 0.2, 0.785, okay, something like that. It must not be greater than 1, and it must not be negative, okay? So for some events, certain events, which is probability 1, impossible events, which is